Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video you're about to watch came from a longer stream. In fact, not only is it from a longer stream, but it's got one of the manufacturer reps in there with us. And so it's going to be a little bit different than our normal long form content, so we hope you enjoy.
Okay, you've got a nice pass-through storage here, guys, all the way through, right? You've got two 20-pound propane tanks, as I call them. One thing that you want to see, and I saw it here, I was standing here, heated underbelly, right? That for me is huge, and I'll point out why when we get inside, but I love to see that it's a heated underbelly. You have electric stabilization jacks. It's not self-leveling like fifth wheels, but it's electric, so you just hit that button right there, okay? Your step above step, right? There's your slide here. We'll go around. I usually like try to get the weights for you all, but remember I told you it's kind of hard? Well, look how tight these are. It's hard to get up there to get the weight for you guys. So let me, do you know what the dry weight is on this one by chance?
7,600 pounds, depending on how it's weighted.
All right, 7,600 pounds dry. All right. So again, the 281 RK. So let's go ahead and go in. Hey guys, I hope the camera is really, yeah, there you go, Lisa.
This is unbelievable.
That's a dance floor.
It is. It is.
You could break dance in there.
Funny you mentioned
If
that.
I could dance, I would.
The dance floor has been mentioned 4 or 5 times. It shows me it's crazy.
Yeah, Bob, holy moly. That's right, buddy. Is that unbelievable? Holy crap. I've never seen a travel trailer like that. Never. And you did say this is the only floor plan like it in the industry.
Yeah, we're the only ones in the manufacturer side right now building this floor plan. It probably won't take long. You'll start seeing it look up.
Yeah.
You just don't feel like you're in a sort of
No.
great use of space.
Absolutely amazing. All right, so let's sort of do the 360. We'll start here with a little dinette, which is great. Converts down into a bed, right? Nice 3 windows up there. You got your accordion type shades. I'm assuming there's storage underneath there, right? Okay. And
The table does move left, right, and it comes out. You can use it as
yeah, so let's say we were doing this before. I'm just gonna move these so I don't knock them down and break them because I would do this. But let's say you want to bring this over to the chairs over here, and now you want to eat here. I can do that if you want, right? And so because the entertainment system is to our left, I'm assuming that's on a swivel so it can move,
You'll
right?
pull that out and give you a better view and drive
Right.
away. And then I'm going to engage this so you can make the coffee table. So right now we've got the table set up with the coffee table. I'm going to go ahead and bring it back up and bring it into the table.
Look at that.
This goes over to the booth.
That is great.
With the lower down, it's short enough you can take it outside if you want to use it as a cook table outside or put your coffee pot on it in the morning or make coffee outside.
That's awesome. All right, so we'll put that back. So
Gotcha.
put your bowls back in there so they'll be
That was awesome.
now, we just cover the entertainment system real quick. You got a nice fireplace down there, Lisa, for your freakishly cold feet.
Shoe storage underneath.
Yep.
Perfect.
That is,
Yes, I can warm my toes nicely.
50 or 60?
50-inch TV.
50, right?
Swivel arms so you can move it out.
Right.
So you can get a better
Excellent.
viewing angle from the theater seats.
Right. You've got your built-in entertainment system there as well. Okay. Theater seats, which we mentioned, we were sort of sitting over here a second ago. Or, cup holders, right? Actually, they're very comfortable.
And it does go all the way down to wall under to the floor, so it lays flat.
Oh, it's lay flat.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, it's been a tough morning. Okay. And then there's that kitchen in the back.
Yes, look at this. I've been amazed with all the countertop space. I have countertop envy for sure. Space everywhere. Okay, so we've got, what is this, our microwave?
Yep, contour.
All right, so we have our microwave here.
The reason why it's down low is because, again, there's no cabinetry up top, so you have full views out the back, right?
These beautiful windows.
Yeah.
This is awesome. So we do have a 3-burner stove. We have an oven. There's a gray stove. Look at the black sink.
What?
Yeah, that's nice. The black faucet. Yeah, it's the single bowl. Underneath, we do have some storage.
Dark cabinetry.
It is very
Some start.
hard to see in there.
There you go.
And then
Get your
we
ducted
have
floor heating.
3 storage doors here as well.
Got your Everchill. Is this 12 volt?
Yep, 12-volt fridge.
And this is 200, 400 on the solar flex.
200 watt solar flex with Keystone.
Excuse me. Got a nice little pantry here. I'm going to pick on you just like I did Scott. You ready? Here we go. Here's the test, y'all. Okay. Food pantry, right?
Yes.
Paper thin shelves. People are going to be out long term. They put canned goods in. It's hard to hold it. So in your next iteration, if you just add one of these little square pieces of wood right across there, it no longer will go. All right, moving forward here, he's got a little closet open.
Yep.
Another one there.
Closet, and by not having big cabinets in the back, the block the view that you have, we added some more storage inside here with the good notes.
Excellent.
Those, but that's the shelves are solid.
Oh, ow. Yeah, that's hard as a rock, y'all. Okay, so you're going to put the canned goods in there.
Tell him.
The boxes in there.
Whoa, tell him. Go ahead and try that now. I want to see your expression. That was awesome.
Yeah. Ow. That's going to leave a mark. All right, so we sort of
I
have
had the
this
camera
is a
on his face.
mid-bath, guys. So I'm going to go sit here, all right? If you're joining the stream and you're new, well, I'm 6'4". If you're old, I'm apologize for saying it again. Perfect sitting position, okay? So there's no augmentation. Very, very comfortable, okay? Right behind Lisa is your vanity. As you can see, they put you... Sorry, everybody. There's a little bit of space on either side, okay? Down beneath, you've got some storage down there. All right, some piping and stuff there, so you just got to be a little bit creative with how you put stuff in there, okay? I'll grab this from you so you can see the comments. Up above, hi everybody, you have your medicine cabinet. Look at that. You can see my entire head in there. That is awesome. I don't have to duck, which, by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but the roof is kind of like a barrel vault. And so it really gives you a little bit more height in here for us tall people, okay? The vaulted? If you didn't hear him, Springdale is the only one that does the vaulted ceiling. It's great. There's also a place in here for your linens. It is. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What are you saying? There's a door here, too. I can't open it. There we go. There we go. I didn't climb in the shower, so let's do that.
All right.
Big shower, guys. 36 by 60, it looks like. It's got the curtain. I don't have the door, but you can fix that if you like. A little retractable door. My head's in the bubble. It's great. Plus, it being barrel vaulted, it even gives you a little bit higher space, so you could be, right, standing where I'm at right now, 6'9", maybe 6'8", 6'9", max right here. Yeah, about 6'9". Okay, so got some shelves up in the front, some shelves up in the back, and some shelves down at the bottom for the shorter people. Or maybe you could put your foot up there if you're shaving. I don't know. Yeah, very cool. All right, into the bedroom. Got hanging space left and right. Okay. You have some storage up on top. You can see it's open. Is this a RV queen?
Yes.
RV queen.
Yes. You have inside storage which separates with the wall, so you don't commingle your outside cabinet either.
Excellent. Which, by the way, this is why I mentioned the outdoor heating for the underbelly. Okay. For those who are in travel trailers, you probably know what I'm talking about. So right here, from this part of my body up, I am laying on top of what is the underbelly storage. And when you're in colder climates, or look, right now it was 40 degrees this morning in Central Florida, that cold air, this whole part of the bed is very, very cool. Even though it's heated up here, you're feeling the cool come from underneath. And so by having a heated underbelly, the bed is never cold in that kind of aspect. And so it's a much more comfortable sleeping in an RV that's got heated underbellies, because that cold air isn't infiltrating into the inside through the bed, if you will. Okay. We mentioned the storage here, but I just didn't show you. There's a cabinet here. There's also one down the bottom, which is just in the bedroom. Okay. All right.